Okay, getting feature IDs is sometimes important for various types of automations that you might be doing with NitroCell or with Creo in general. So this function getID actually will write this information to a table for you in Excel, but it requires an item name and a feature name as kind of an input. Now to kind of dynamically get this, we're going to be using the encouts function to kind of pull all part models into a table that has item name and feature name within it as a result. So if we take a look here, we have in session three different models that are there right now. And if we run this, you'll notice it's going to create the first table with the content and then write out that second table with the IDs of those features that were referenced in the first. So if we expand this out here, you'll notice that the feature names that were found in that first function were also used to try to identify which feature names were or which feature IDs were associated to those in the second call.